Hi everyone! After almost a whole month without watercolor related sales on Jackson's, we finally have quite a big sale this week. At the time of recording this, I haven't received the email announcing their sale yet, so I don't know what it is, but from what I gather, I believe it's a plein air sale. Just a little reminder before we begin, all the links to everything mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. And if you'd like to support this channel, I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider using my affiliate links below. Thank you very much! Now let's begin! Seems like we're looking at discounts in all three categories: watercolor, brushes, as well as paper. For watercolors, it looks like only the sets are on sale, but not open stock products. Some brands like Daniel Smith and Sennelier don't have discounts, but the following brands have their watercolor sets on sale: M. Graham, Jackson's, Winsor&Newton Artist Grade, Winsor&Newton Cotman, Holbein, Core, Roman Small, Daler Rowney, and Sakura. For those new to this channel, I always like to highlight some products in these sale videos because with large sales like this, sometimes going through everything could be quite overwhelming. So for watercolors, M. Graham has some beautifully curated sets like this Cobalt Mix set that comes with 5 cobalt colors. All of these granulate, so if you've been looking to explore granulation, this is a great set. And if you want to explore colors with high tinting strength, they also have this quinacridone set that also comes with 5 colors. If you're into watercolor, you'll most likely have come across Jane Blundell's name, and this palette by Roman Small contains colors she had selected. If you're a beginner and want a palette that'll grow with you over time, I think this one definitely fits that criteria. And for those who want to try the Roman Small brand but don't like full pans, they have this small set of 12 half pans. Moving on to brushes now. From what I could see, it looks like only travel brushes are on sale, hence why I believe this is a plein air sale. The following brands have their travel brushes on sale: Silver Brush, Escoda, Tintoretto, Pro Art, and Jackson's. Silver Brush Black Velvet has both the set and individual travel brushes available. This blue set from Escoda is also suitable for watercolorists. In the last plein air sale, I actually got myself the number 4 Squirrel Hair Travel Brush by Tintoretto. Absolutely amazing quality, and it fits in half pans very well. In the past, I've noticed that Silver Brush and Tintoretto brushes go out of stock pretty quickly, so get yours while you can. Keep in mind that Jackson's still offers free delivery on brush-only orders above $45 USD that ship to most international addresses. Moving on to papers, since there are lots of paper formats, I suggest you browse and have a look for yourself. But I'll list some here now and highlight a couple. Jackson's, both sketchbook and block, Sea White, Etcher, Canson XL, Bockingford, Saunders Waterford, Fabriano, Canson Heritage, and Global Fluid Paper. I haven't seen many people talk about Jackson's watercolor sketchbook, so for those who don't know, it's actually by Kunst and Papier. I hope I'm saying that correctly. It shows granulation well and takes water quite well too. If you'd like to see it in action, have a look at my seasonal tetrad videos. Well, that's it for the sale this time. Just a quick recap, Jackson's is currently having a sale. Products like watercolor sets, travel brushes, and various paper formats are on sale at great prices. At the time of recording this, I don't know how long the sale will last, but it usually lasts for about a week. And last week's Caran d'Ache sale lasts until the end of tomorrow, Friday, July 29th, UK time. And if you'd like, you could take advantage of both sales at the same time. Again, if you do decide to purchase anything, I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd consider using my affiliate links below. Thank you! It really helps this channel and helps me to continue doing what I do. Well, that's it for today's video. As always, thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Hope you have a great weekend. Oh, and happy shopping too!